Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is G and today I'm going to share with you my updated go-to makeup look. So, it's been a while since my last update and one day naisip ko lang na balikan yung mga makeup looks na ginagawa ko before. Sobrang lala. Especially nung college days ko, na-realize ko na sobrang dami ko palang nilalagay sa mukha ko. And guys, na-realize ko na habang tumatagal, simple and paunti ng paunti yung ginagamit ko na makeup products. Ang gagawin ko muna is, I'm gonna spray the D'Alba First Spray Serum. This one. Lagi ko lang siya nakikita sa mga influencers and content creators na fina-follow ko. Hindi naman hype lang. It's really good. So what I do, I spray this before I put my sunscreen and also after I put my makeup. Patutuyuin lang natin siya. Next is, of course, sunscreen. That's very important. Kahit na hindi naman maaraw, it's important to wear sunscreen. Yun din yung na-realize ko nung pinapanood ko yung mga YouTube videos ko before. Nung college pala ako, hindi ako naglalagay ng sunscreen. That's what I realized. Hindi siya kasama sa skincare routine ko before I put on my makeup. So ngayon, I always make sure na lagi na siyang nasa makeup routine ko. Next, this is the Easy Drop Blur plus Smooth Tint Stick. This one. So I just put that all over my face. And then na-realize ko na I don't really need to use foundation, like liquid foundation. Kasi na-realize ko din sa mga YouTube videos na na-upload ko before, parang laging full coverage yung ginagamit ko na foundation pero wala naman ako i-cover. There was a time in my life na sobrang nag-breakout ako dito sa chin area. So, gets ko naman kung ba't ako magpo-full coverage. Pero, nung college ako, nung hindi ko pa yun problem, I go, girl, what are you covering? And one of the things that I realized, I'm a blush blind girly. Mahilig pa din ako maglagay ng super pack na blush. I think it's because iniisip ko if I put my makeup early in the day, kailangan marami akong ilagay para hanggang gabi or the whole day na siya. Now I'm just using the Rare Beauty liquid blush in Hope. This blush is very nice. And then I don't use any brush. I just use my fingers. Spread the blush. And then now, I'm just gonna top up my blush as a blush blind girly. I'm just gonna top it with the NARS blush in Orgasm. Lalagay ko lang siya dito kasi this has shimmer. So, lalagay ko siya dito. And then now, I'm just gonna set my skin tint with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. So, nilalagay ko lang siya sa under eye, sa gilid ng nose, sa forehead, and sa chin. Grabe. Sobrang nabawasan yung makeup time ko kasi before, ang nagtitake up talaga ng time ko is my brows. Kasi kailangan dati sobrang perfect ng brows ko. Ngayon, just a brow styling wax. So, wala na akong ibang nilalagay na product sa eyebrows ko. And that saved me a lot of time. Na-realize ko, ang dami ko palang kilay. Like, ang dami ko palang eyebrow hair na kailangan ko ma-utilize. So, ayan na siya. Diba? We're gonna move on to the lips. This is the Happy Skin Plush Matte Lip Tint. This is in the shade Nostalgia. And so far naman, na-realize ko, I still love, you know, a dark lip. I did try to do nude lips. It's just not giving. Or nasa isip ko pa rin na, you know, if it's darker, it will last longer. And I'm just gonna top my lip tint with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stick. This is in the shade Riri. And now I'm just gonna do a final spray of the D'Alba First Spray Serum. And that's it. Hindi ko lang na-realize na hindi ko naman pala kailangan na sobrang daming nilalagay sa face ko to achieve the look that I want every time na alis ako. Just to be presentable. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!